Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing well. Today is 5th of August 2019 and here I present you the analysis for today. This analysis is exclusively brought to you by GTC Markets and I hope you love it and like it. I request you to subscribe and like our YouTube and Facebook page so you can be up to date linked with our latest services. Okay, without waiting further, I will start with this Euro GBP pair or Euro Pound pair. What do we have in the daily time frame? We have a mother bar inside bar formation over here. If you can just give me 1 second. I think there is some internet issues. Yeah, see, there is a mother bar inside bar formation on this pair right now over here, and if you come on the H4 chart, you can see this pretty well. Let me do it towards the upside. And let's bring over here. Okay, this is a pretty good mother bar inside bar formation over here, and you can see this is a double top as well. So what we will do now, if we have a break above, close above this level over here, this one, then we can expect the market to move on the upside. Remember, break above, close above is very important. Or else if we have a break below, close below this level, then we can expect the market to move towards a down position. Okay, and if you are a conservative type of man, you can just wait for a break below, close below bearish candle of this part over here, and you can enter as well. Be careful that this will be a range, so you will have to wait for the breakouts. That is what I suggest. Okay, and now I'll move towards let's see our pivots. Okay, this is the resistance one of the year, and something in the weekly, nothing in the weekly. Okay, this was for now in Euro Pound. Okay, now I'll move towards what else do we have. Let's see this Euro CAD. Euro CAD has an inside bar formation on the weekly candle. Let's have a look over there. I'll come to the H4, just minimize this a little bit. Okay, what do we have? We have a weekly inside bar formation over here. Couple of days ago we had over here, and now we have here. So what can happen over here, guys? If I'll draw my fibs over here, and I've taught this fibs so many times in my lectures, you can look at them as well. Okay, a break above this level or a break above, break below this level with the close as well will lead the pair in the particular direction. So what you need to do is, let's suppose you have a break above this level that also considers to be the previous resistance area over here or a support area over here, and same thing over here. If you get a break above or close above or break below, close above, you can target this much level. Okay, see 100% of this move, that is this much from here, and the same this much from towards the downside. Okay, this is what you can target. So in either zone, this is a 150 pip movement. So be careful when you have this with yourself. Okay, the next one is let's move further. The next one is dollar yen, and see what do we have in the daily chart. Let me zoom in the chart. Okay, what we had a weekly pivot candle breakout, break below that level, and this was a double top formation, pretty good double top formation that could have not break the 127 extension to the upside. Okay, it could have not done it, so it has broke downwards. Now what options do we have? Okay, now have you look over there. What options do we have? Let me remove all of this. Checklist, Control A, delete. Okay, now let's see what options do we have. We will target a CD leg, and we'll have a maximum retracement to 200%. Okay, so keep this in mind. Maximum retracement is 200%. So this was your level over here, going below, and this is your maximum movement towards the downside. Okay, keep this in mind. Now I will come here and have this candle marked up, this one, because this founds to be a momentum candle as well. Okay, and I'll get the VPOCs done on this candle over here. Okay, I'll get it done on this candle over here, and I'll mark this VPOC level, that is this one. So you can see I have drawn this square, and this is the place where I'll be looking for sellings, especially sellings on the highs, and I'll wait for the breakout as well, breakout towards the downside and selling on the highs. Okay, this is what I have done now. I'll remove my fibs, so I don't want extra clusters. I'll remove my VPOC as well, and now I'll come into H4. Okay, this is what I have in H4. This is the data I'm looking for, this one. And if I come into H1 now, if I come into H1, all I can do is I need to sell at the highs. Okay, and my highs is this level. The pair was already in the high zone over here. You guys already know, my students know how I find out the highs. That is over here, this one, and the pair was already in the highs and it has done its part. Okay, this is the highs, and if I'll come into a breakout below this level over here, and it will be like 30 pips. Okay, this is what we need to do. Don't go in a buying position. Keep in mind, don't go in a buying position. Okay, this was for the dollar yen, and now I'll move towards the euro dollar. Let's see on the daily chart, what do we have? Clumsy chart, object list. Let me come here. This one. Let me remove all of this stuff, my dear. Okay, what have we having? Good breakout. You can see it. This one from here, and you can draw your trend line as well. Down trend line going over here, and then I'll come into momentum. This is the latest momentum candle I've got. I will select it with my VPOCs, this one, and market has come to touch this VPOC level over here. Now what I'll do, I'll draw my horizontal line over here, somewhere over here, a couple of pips below. Okay, I'll remove my VPOC levels, and now I've drawn myself this zone over here. Okay, this is my zone over here. I'll come into H1. I'll come into H1, and where is my level? Just let me see, just give me a second. I think I didn't draw the line. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, I didn't draw it. Just give me 1 second. That was this one. Okay, now let's come into H1. Yeah, this place. Okay, below this level over here, when I'll be having a selling point over here, you can see this one, it sold out over here. This one, in the day it has gone into buy position, but obviously we were a seller, we won't come over here. And now what's happening now over here, you can see this good zone over here. Okay, any opportunity over here would be a good sell for you, and that's what already happened over here in the morning. It has made 19 pips of movement. Okay, this is how we can have our good energy plan for yourself, and that is awesome. And if you draw a trend line over here on the H1, you can see this movement over here. Even a break of this line would also be good. Okay, this was the euro dollar, and the last one is a pound dollar. Okay, I will come on the daily chart for the pound dollar. I'll remove all of this. Okay, and I'll keep my P5 candles over here. Again, we had a decent breakout over here. Moving average and momentum were all faced towards the downside. Okay, you can see this. They were faced towards the downside. We have this last momentum candle over here. I'll put my VPOCs over here and over here. Okay, and what happened is market just came and tested our VPOC level, and then it fell downwards. So what we can do now, as you can see, we don't have break below, close below these levels over here, no break below close below here. If we get a break below close below, we can expect the market to move downwards. But for now, I have drawn this zone over here. Okay, we will be a good seller at this level. Let's come into H4. Okay, this is our H4, this is our zone. Keep in mind, I'll move towards H1, and now see what happens. This is H1, this is our level over here. I'll draw my ranges, and this is my range of whole day. What do I get over here? I'll draw my fibs, and look at this. 23 level is directly in confluence with this level. So if the market comes up on this level over here, it's right here now. If it comes up by 70 pips, there is a major news report as well, then I can expect the market to fall downwards. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. This was for now, and I'll be uploading few more things as well. For now, this is only there. I would request you guys, if you love our analysis and you want to learn our analysis, then please do like and subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube page. Thank you.